Hey, this is nice. I get to close my door and finally take my mask off. We are going to do a CHAMPS presentation. This presentation goes over the basics of CHAMPS and how we use CHAMPS at Oakwood in 5 slides. All right. On the left, we have an explanation of each letter in CHAMPS. On the right is a simple example of it during dismissal. You'll notice the S is left off of the dismissal example. Their getting gone safely is the implied expectation for success in this example. Please post the CHAMPS expectations that your students need to have before the activities and transitions that they need champed out. This can be done either with posters on the walls or with slides embedded in your lesson presentations. Gradually, our students become accustomed to each teacher's classroom routines, and fewer activities and transitions need champing out each letter and expectation. The admin team uses the raised hand "Gimme 5" signal. Many of the kids learn this at their elementary campuses. In concordance with that fact, our 5th graders need the most practice learning our school's typical routines. We also like it because it does not solely rely on our raised voices to get their attention. This is called the attention notice in many of the CHAMPS trainings that I've seen. Some teachers use a bell. Some teachers use a particular type of music. Some teachers say "Red Robin." All the kids say "Yum." It's something you want to use only when you need to, but it can be personalized for any of your classroom desires, whatever you wish. This is especially important for us, the "Gimme 5", when you have over 100 students to bring to silence. Plus, we hate yelling in general. Please ask me anything. I have tons of poster examples from the teachers here at Oakwood who have innovated their posters and CHAMPS classroom practices. There's a folder in the drive titled CHAMPS that I've shared with everyone at Oakwood. I've got posters that can be edited in PDFs and still look really nice and standardized. Just let me know whatever you need regarding CHAMPS or if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great one.